Hello, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts and checkouts. Today, let's talk about how you can customize the checkout page on your Wix site. Perfect if you have Wix stores, Wix bookings, Wix restaurants, etc. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the search bar and type in checkout. Then select checkout. There are different sections you can work on here. We'll talk about them one by one, starting with the checkout form. If you want to customize your checkout form, click on Edit. All the necessary fields have already been added, so it's best not to touch them. But if you want to add a custom field, you can click on Create Field over here, and then select the type of input you want to add. After you're done making changes, review all of your changes to make sure that there are no mistakes. And if everything's all good, click on Save. Also, if you want to ask your customers if they want to join your SMS and email list, you can toggle this button on. Now, let's talk about the checkout header. To customize your checkout header, click on Edit. Select which you want to display. Is it your name or is it your logo? It depends on you. And then you can select your preferred alignment. You can align it to the left or align it to the middle. Click on Save once you're done. Now let's talk about policies. Take the checkbox of the corresponding policies that you want to display, and for each policy, add your rules. If you want to add a checkbox that requires customers to agree to your policies before placing their order, make sure to toggle this button on. And if you also want to display a clickable Contact Us link that opens a pop up displaying your info, toggle this button on and then input your business info over here. Let's move on to payments. If you want your customers to pay for their orders with a gift card, you can toggle this button on. Otherwise, you can toggle it off. And finally, we're going to talk about billing documents. This is where you can set up invoices or receipts automation to ensure duplicate payment records are avoided. You can select an option to create an invoice every time an order is paid online, or to enable receipts automation, which, if you activate, every payment added to your order will trigger an automated action where the system creates a receipt using your order and payment details. And by the way, all of the changes you made on this dashboard will automatically be saved. And that's all for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.